Alright guys, so we have a 2019 Kia Sorento. And we're going to be doing the front brakes. Pretty basic, simple job guys. So we're going to get right to it right now. So the tools we need for this application, we need our brake pad. I use a little bar. I'll show you what that's done for. And we need a brake tool press. You could use different things guys, but I use that one because I have that one. And we use a wrench with the number 14. Alright guys, so and 21 to take off the wheel. So this is a 2019 Kia Sorento. So this probably work in different models and different years. So guys, so this is Kia Sorento GDI all-wheel drive 4-cylinder. So guys, let's get right into it. We're gonna take off the bottom one because I'm gonna show you, so we don't have to take off everything. We're gonna be taking off, break the nut, screw it out. 14. Then this is where my bar come in, because I normally put the bar on this side below the traction, and I press. I try to press like this. Try to press and bring it up. Or you can put it in here too and prise it back, whatever you decide. So guys, put it back like this and it keeps it up like this guys. And don't want to go back because it could damage your finger guys. This fall on your finger, it will damage your nail, and it takes like 6 months for your nail to grow back. That happened to me. So guys, remove the retainer clips that hold the rotors, the pads in from the rotor. These ones. And then remove the bottom one, same thing. Then use the bar, see how the bar come in handy. Pop those out. See the different guys? They're done. They're all wasted. See the new one? Okay. So we pop the bottom one out too. That's the back. So now we just pop these in. Front, the back, and then we put back in a retainer clip. It don't take much time guys. So a retainer clip going like this. Click one in, click the other one in. And the bottom the same thing. Top the same thing. And then guys, you use my pressy tool. Press it in. You should press back guys. I never fill the brake master, because when your brake's low, your master cylinder will be low too. So that's something to keep in mind. So we press this back, finish guys. I'll just bring it down like this. You get number 14. Put it back in. Snug it up. And then we use this now. You tighten the. And that's it guys. That's conclude our brake job. So fast and so easy guys. And I get a little bit more time, I'm going to show you. I'm going to put on the wheel. And guys, always remember to pump the brakes. The put on the wheel is 21. Yeah. 21, you put them around and then you snug them up with a 21mm guys. So alright guys, so if you're new to my channel, you just tighten these and then torque them down to about 90 foot-pound because the SUV 90 or 100, and then you can retort them at a later date guys. So if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing guys. This is just one for you. 2019 Kia Sorento with a GDI engine, 4-cylinder. This is how do the front brakes application for both sides. So guys, thank you for watching, and hope this video helped you a lot. And if you give me a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, guys. And thank you. I'll catch you in the next live, guys. And I'm out. So have a good day. And guys, I'll be going live every day. So click the notification button. So when I go live, guess what, guys? You go live too. Thank you for watching, and I'm out.